Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New latest crochet pattern ideas like crochet pattern, beautiful and latest crochet earrings and beautiful ideas. Crochet earrings can be a delightful and stylish craft projects. And here are some ideas and basic instructions to get you started. And beautiful material material craft and crochet thread crochet thread and embroidery flawless in your chosen color, your favorite color, and choose your pattern. Select a crochet earrings pattern and create your design. Some popular choice and style design shapes, small circles like flowers and geometric shapes, different and beautiful styling. In crochet the shape, follow the pattern instruction to crochet the different and beautiful shape. So with a magic ring and chain and work in rounds to create the earrings designs. You find thread for delicate earrings and thicker thread for a bolder look. Beautiful and latest ideas. And consider adding beads and charms while crocheting. You can different and latest ideas and designs then into your design by threading them in onto the yarn and before during crocheting. And different and beautiful shapes like to turn your crochet piece into earrings style.